You're welcome. Today we're looking at how to make black palm kernel oil from the scratch. In Igbo, we call this oil Idakin or Udeakun. Yorubas call it Adidudu. Please, Hausas, what is it called in your dialect? My Ghanaian peeps, please, what is it called in your dialect also? Just tell me what it is called. Let's look at some health benefits of this great oil. 1, it treats skin rashes. 2, it manages convulsion. It enhances hair growth. It reduces fever. It may help with constipation. It is also good for the skin and lowers inflammation. Join me. Let's look at the process of making this oil from the scratch. My village chronicle. Thank you. Okay, so this is the palm fruit. Like I said, I'm still in my village. My auntie is also removing this. This is the bunch. It comes in this bunch. So after this, it is shredded. And it comes like this. So after this, this is the flesh. This fleshy part will be used for this fleshy part will be the oil. Red palm oil is extracted from. So after the oil is extracted, then you have the kernel. Then when the kernel is broken, then you have the nut inside the kernel. So that is, look at it. Look at this one that is broken. This is the kernel inside. So it is from the kernel that your palm kernel oil that you use for soap is gotten from. It is from this flesh that the red palm oil is gotten from. And even this bunch, I can burn it and use it as potassium hydroxide to make my either my liquid soap or herbal soap also. So the palm fruit is very, very loaded, very, very loaded. So I'm going to show you the whole process of started from here, and then we'll end when our palm kernel oil is made. Thank you. And so this is the ones that she has removed already. So this is another batch. We want to cook another batch now, putting them into the pots. So we are going to cook it or burn until we extracting the oil by fire. This is the palm kernel nuts. This is where the oil is extracted from. Palm kernel nuts used for making soap. Those ones we use for oil is being extracted with machine most times. Though they do some locally also, and they now filter. But this one is basically this one is being given to children also. It is used for children's skin, very good for the skin. It can also be licked. According to my big mama in the village, that it treats a lot of things. So this is it. We are trying to cook another batch. Put it on the fire. Here it goes. So this is how it will cook. We'll cover it until all the oils is extracted like this. So I am in my village. I came back for Christmas. So this is how to make the local palm kernel oil. So this is one of my aunties. She's making palm kernel oil. This is the one she has made. You know, this black oil, Idakin. Igbos call it Idakin. It is made from palm kernel. So this is it. She's making it. You can see the kernels. You can see the kernels. So this is you just cook. You put it on the fire. Cook and cook and cook, and the fire will help you to extract the oil. So that is what she is doing. So for those of us that use palm kernel oil that don't know how it is gotten or how it is done, this is how it is done. Those ones we use, this is it. This is the one that has been burnt. You see, it has been burnt. This one now has no oil anymore. You can see it has no oil anymore because all the oils has been completely extracted. So this is how to make palm kernel oil. Journey of my village, enjoying my village. Okay, so this is it. We are done extracting the oil. You can see the oils that we extracted from this, and this is the kernel. This is the burnt kernel. You can see there is no more oil there. You can see there is no more oil. So this is how palm kernel oil is being extracted locally. This is the fire that is used for it, and this is it. This one is quality, not adulterated at all. 100% palm kernel oil. Yeah, thank you. Hope you have subscribed to my channel. I'll be bringing you updates from my village journey. I'm in the village enjoying myself. Thank you.